You can see how high that snow is. That poor lady is going to try and shovel out her car.
Oh yeah, she's there for that one now.
Yeah. As soon as she does the front, she'll be able to pull it out. We had a lot of snow, eh, Mum?
What's that now?
We had a lot of snow.
Oh God, yes, that was 3 times this morning. That there was snow and then they stopped. And then they started again, and the last one was really bad. It was quite heavy.
We had a little bit of sun earlier, and now it's all gone.
Yeah.
Not too bad. I guess I was protected. Not too bad at all. I thought I was going to have to shovel this morning. Sorry about the wind. I'll just do this with my feet. We're expecting more snow, so I don't know. Pretty good. Not compared to some of the other ones. I got snowed right in over there. I was going downstairs expecting to shovel around the car. This much snow. That's all.
It blew different spots.
I guess it blew around.
Yeah.
So, oh God, the news. I hate the news. I hate the news. I hate the news. So, my car, you'll see it there. Looks like that one. That's as much snow around it as I got. Okay.
Did the girls took all that snow? And
Well, she got her car off.
Yeah.
That gray car, ooh, let me see. That gray car that's buried there,
Yeah.
that belongs to our Korean friends.
That's
with
right.
the little babies.
Yeah. That's where they go. They got 2 kids.
Yeah, and the whole front end is all covered up.
Yeah. She takes it out sometimes just to go pick up her husband from work.
Yeah, yeah. We'll get the game back on here.
I try to get it.
That's okay, Mom. I just got to see where the hell my pointer is. Oh, here we are. Mom likes to play this on Pogo. Okay, we haven't been filming much. I'm just giving you a little bit of the last minute. I'm making supper for Mom. Now, we're going to use leftovers here. There's a little bit of steak, corn, and potatoes for Mom. And I am going to make myself a sandwich with my veggies. And, of course, Mom likes her tea. So there's all my veggies. This is garbage. It happens. It happens. All right. So let's begin. Okay. I don't really like tomato in my meal, but Mom likes tomato, so I always give her a little bit of tomato with her meal. And again, Mom doesn't, well, I can use my cucumber. Why don't I just do that, right? Okay. I've made Mom's tea. Just gotta take out the tea bag. Mom also likes coleslaw, so I'll give her a little bit of coleslaw. There we go. Put that away. That goes away. That goes in the fridge. Mom also likes a few pickles, so I will give her a couple of pickles with the cucumber. There we go. That goes in the fridge. Alrighty. Now I'll give Mom a little piece of corn. The potatoes. And her little piece of meat. Now I'll also give Mom a little butter for her corn. I don't usually add any more salt to Mom's diet. Give her a knife and a fork, and there we go. So that's Mom's quick little leftover supper. And I'm still doing my veggies. Okay. How is it, Mom?
Oh, it's delicious.
Good, good. I'm glad she's hungry. Now, we're just going to have a look outside to see some of the, you can tell how high the snow got on that, in front of those cars. It's snowed and then it stopped and then it snowed again, so we shall see.